अरे यार यार क्या बताऊँ आप लोगों को, मैं ना बहुत स्ट्रेस में हूँ यार। ये आंटी ना मेरे पीछे पड़ी हुई है, पड़ोस वाली आंटी। अभी कैसी हो? ठीक हूँ, आपके आने से पहले। हैं? कुछ नहीं कुछ नहीं। ये क्या लगा रखा है? क्या मार्केट मार्केट शुरू की हो क्या? हाँ। हाय गाइस, सो वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। ओ ये तुम्हारी यूट्यूब चैनल के लिए है ना? यूट्यूब 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 टॉब, हाँ यूट्यूब रहने दो। हाँ वही यूट्यूब। आंटी आप ना बहुत इरिटेटिंग है। हैं? इरिटेटिंग क्या होता है? कुछ नहीं। अच्छा इरिटेटिंग बोली मुझे, हाँ? अब एनीवे, सो गाइज आज मैं आप लोगों को दिखाने वाली हूँ मेरी आई शैडो कलेक्शन। मैं आपको वैसे आई शैडो क्या होता है? आई शैडो इज बेसिकली अच्छा, ये जो तुम अपनी आंखों पे लगाती हो रंग बिरंगी अजीब अजीब चीजें, वही ना? ये कभी चमक धमक होता है, कभी लाल पीला नीला हरा, पता नहीं क्या क्या लगाती। ये बंदूक, हाँ भैया हमारा इंट्रोडक्शन नहीं कराओगी सबसे? बोलो कौन है हम? अरे हाँ श्योर गाइस, ये शिल्पा आंटी। आंटी सिर्फ इसके लिए, आपके लिए शिल्पा। डेटिंग ऐप नहीं है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। फर्स्ट आई विल शो यू ऑल माय आई शैडोज। सो दिस इज बेसिकली ऑल ऑफ इट। मैं बहुत ही मुश्किल से अपने बेड के ऊपर चढ़ के आपको ये चीज दिखा रही हूँ, सो प्लीज अप्रिशिएट इट। थैंक यू। Alright, so let me just guide you guys through what I have and which ones are my most favorite eyeshadows. Hello guys, so today let me guide you through my independent. ये बात है क्या फर्राटेदार इंग्लिश बोलती है? हाय, रहने दीजिए प्लीज। So first one up here is this one. This eyeshadow is, I don't know कहाँ से boyfriend ने दिया होगा। So this eyeshadow right here is one of my most favorite. It's from Tarte. Yeah, so the shades inside are like so beautiful and मुझे मतलब बहुत ही पसंद है। I'm just gonna give you guys a close up also. So the second one we have is this big one. This is called Glassy Water Light. It looks like this. I'm gonna show you guys in a close-up as well. There are so many shades in this. Next up we have the most beautiful by Feeble, if I'm saying it right. Febble, I don't know. This is the makeup brand's name and this is the eyeshadow. It looks super pretty and there are so many colors in this, especially candy. ये वाला जो color है, I use it a lot for mostly all my makeup routines and stuff. And Sweetie is also very sweet. Then next up we have, obviously, how can we forget, James Charles palette. This one, this is really pretty and just it says unleash your inner artist. Dude, I love it when he says that, unleash your inner artist.
Unleash your inner artist.
I wasn't even close, but I'm trying. Sorry. Then next up we have one of my most favorite eyeshadow palettes of all time, which I have used till now, and this brand itself is really nice. I mean, like, you guys should really check it out. It's from the brand Focaccia. This eyeshadow itself is called Sunrise and there are so many colors in it and these all colors are so pretty. I mean, I just love this one, Punch Pink. Looks like this. It's very pretty and so many natural shades are there. And then we have another palette from the same brand, which is called Sweet as Honey, and I use this mostly for all my looks in my show Aladdin for Yasmin. So like these are all the shades that this particular palette has, and एक like the shades का name is so cool. I mean, we should literally learn from this. Misty rose, pale chestnut, Turkish rose, witchcraft, khaki, OMG. Like, I love the names, so pretty. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty का ये जो palette है, neon. These are so gorgeous, girls. You need to get your hands on this. This like perfect. So ये सब shades हैं इसमें. It has orange, pink, green, all sorts of neon colors. It looks so beautiful on your eyes. This one is another one by them. These two are like you can't use them much. I would say ज़्यादा use नहीं कर सकते हो इनको. But कोई एक special occasion होता है ना, when you're wearing neon and when you want to stand out, like you want your eyes to look yeah beautiful baby, like those eyes are like standing out right now. So then you can use these palettes. And also I wanted to review these superb eyeshadows. I don't know, these are very different. These are like so cool. I can't even explain it. I use it for my looks in Yasmin as well. And ये brand का नाम है Europe Girl, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, Europe Girl, Paris. And these are called Magic Multi-Chrome Pigments. And these are like awesome, guys. I need to show you guys. So I've got like 4 of these with me right now. Thank you for sending these, Europe Girl. I really like their brand, and really appreciate that they've come up with something so beautiful. OMG, dude, I need to try these out. Like, I haven't tried this one yet. It looks so amazing. This one is from Deborah Milano, and this shade, girls, is just, it's stunning. I wish I could just show you properly. Can you see it? You put it on your eyes. So इसमें थोड़ा सा silver है, थोड़ा सा beige है, and there's glitters in it. So it looks very pretty if you want to wear it. Like, this is nice. And then next up we have again Tarte. I can't get over this eyeshadow. It looks so beautiful. Maybe that's the reason why I haven't touched it yet. मैंने अभी तक इसको touch भी नहीं किया है, बाप रे. So beautiful. Oh God. ए भाई बस अभी थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बात करोगी? हाँ आंटी, मुझे हिंदी भी आती है, इंग्लिश भी आती है, दोनों आती है. मे बी आपको इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस लेनी चाहिए. नहीं, इंग्लिश कोचिंग क्लासेस तो जाइए ना, क्यों वेट क्यों कर रही हैं? जाइए ना. अब मैं नहीं जा रही हूँ, इधर ही हूँ मैं. नहीं जाइए. हाँ. Anyway, so this is another Tarte eyeshadow palette that I have. You guys can see the colors are so beautiful यार. इसमें बहुत अच्छे colors हैं. And then there's this eyeshadow that I have. It's called Subculture, and it's by Anastasia Beverly Hills. And I had 2 in this. I think मैंने एक कृपा को दिया है. I just wanted us to twin or something like that. So yeah, it has like all these green shades. So this is all that I have for you guys for today. This is my eyeshadow collection and some of my most favorite eyeshadow palettes. And just to put it out there, girls, you are beautiful just the way you are. And none of it is gonna make you feel more confident about yourself. It's just the confidence that you have in yourself and be however you want to be. It's just up to you. I put makeup to probably, you know, experiment on looks that I really like. I put different types of eyeliners, and it's just fun for me. It's a sort of entertainment for me doing makeup, and I think that makeup could be my hobby, man. Yeah, I love doing makeup. That's like, I really love to experiment on shades and try out different eyeshadows and different lip colors and look so fancy. So just as तो मतलब ये आई शैडो के जो कलर है, ये अपने लाल पीले सब लगा के तुम अपनी आंखों पे तब जाके सुंदर दिखती हो. नहीं आजी, थैंक यू. मुझे आई शैडोज की जरूरत नहीं है सुंदर दिखने के लिए. अच्छा, झूठी. Excuse me. Whatever. She's getting on my nerve. बस खत्म हो गई तुम्हारी YouTube वीडियो. बस ये मतलब मेरा जाने का वक्त आ गया है. ओके आंटी. हाँ, मैं भी बस बाय बोल रही थी. चलो. हाँ. बाय आंटी. Thank God. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section what you guys want me to do for my next YouTube video. And till then, take care of yourself. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I love you all. Take care. रुको मैं भी तो देखूं तुम कैसे ये सब कलर वलर लगा के अच्छी सुंदर दिखती हो। अरे वाह क्या बात है, नजर ना लगे। काला टिक्का का हाँ, ये रहा। वो तो मेरी आई शैडो छोड़, वापस दे दूंगी। वो डेट पे जाना है यार। मेरी आई शैडो रुक के जाओ। इसके बच्चे समझते ही नहीं।